Hello everyone, my name is Rahul. In this video, we will see that how we can create discount coupons in Shopify. Okay, for that you have to go to the here discounts, and here there are two types of discount coupons available in Shopify. Firstly, the user will manually add to the cart, and the second one is automatic discounts that will be automatically added to the cart. Okay, so firstly we will see like how we can create a discount codes using manually. Okay, create discount codes and automatic discount that apply at the checkout. Okay, so firstly I can create discount code. Okay, so now you can define the code. Suppose new 10, and types like I want to define the percentage discount, fixed amount, free shipping, or like buy X and get Y. Okay, suppose the user will buy the X product, then the user will get Y product as a free. Okay, so in this I'm defining the percentage discount. So I want to give the 10% discount. Okay, so applies to, they are like all products. Specific collections are, you can define specific products, you can define. So I'm assigning to all products. Okay, minimum requirement, like suppose the user, if you want that the total amount should be like 100, so you can define it here. Minimum items, suppose the user should buy minimum 2 items to apply the code, so you can define it here. Okay, so I'm defining it now. And customer eligibility, you can define it here. And suppose limit number of times this discount can be used in. So okay, so I want to limit to the one user. Okay, and you can define the start date and end date also. Okay, so available on online sales channel, 10% discount off on all products for everyone. World once one use per customer, active from today till 30 September. Okay, so this is the coupon code that user will add. Okay, and you can like get the shareable link from here. Okay, so now I'm creating the automatic discount that will be automatically added to the cart. Okay, customer will see this in cart and at the checkout. Okay, so you can define this like new 20. Okay, percentage, fixed amount, by there is no free shipping. Okay, so you can define the 20%. It is same like the previous one, but this coupon will be automatically added to the cart. Okay, so specific products, all products, specific collection, specific products. Okay, minimum requirements. Okay, start date and end date, so you can define it here. Okay, same like the previous one. Okay, so you can save this. Okay, so I want the minimum purchase should be 400. Okay, okay, so this is my automatic discount, and this is my discount code, coupon code. Okay, so this is my discount code that user will add to the cart. Okay, so in this you can create the discount coupon codes in Shopify. Okay, so thanks for watching, hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.